Okay, today we're going to work on the foundation plan. So the first thing and most important thing you do today is you need to do a file, save as, and save this as foundation plan so you do not ruin your floor plan. So this should be Bass Foundation and your last name. And click on save. Most important step here in the first 20 seconds is do this, and you should be shaving this into your drive. All right, we're going to turn on our construction layer, and I am going to delete all of my construction lines, and I'm going to get some new ones. You could leave them in there if you needed to, but right now we need the construction lines to go halfway in between the walls, which is exactly where the windows are at. So I am going to just click on the windows. I'm going to go ahead and put my construction layer current as well. I'm going to do another construction line here, and I'm just going to click on the windows because windows are 3 inches in there. There's other ways you can draw them as well. I'm going to enter to repeat this command. And I don't have a window on this side, so I'm going to need to draw a construction line on the edge of the wall. And then I'm going to offset this line 3 inches. So it's right in the middle of the wall. Okay, so you can see here I have 4 lines that are going all the way around. They should all be on the construction layer, and they are halfway in between the wall. We're going to lay the concrete down that goes underneath our house. All right, so as I click on the construction layer, this is something you guys haven't done yet. There is an isolate layer command. It's clicking right here. It's the second one on the top level, starting from the left, and I'm going to click on isolate. And what that did was it turned everything else off except for my construction lines. All right, so we're going to go ahead and type in the multi-line command. And this time we're going to change our style, ST for style, and we're going to change it to F-wall. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to click on J for justification, and we're going to change the justification to 0. All right, I know I'm not on the right layer, but that's all right for right now. We're just going to leave it temporarily. I'm going to click on the corners of the building, right where the construction lines are. We have to have foundation under our fireplace. We're going to go to the corner. We're going to come down, and we're going to follow this all the way around. You probably should have ortho on, which is F8. There's ortho. I'm going to come down, look for the next corner, and you'll see that the foundation is straddling the walls. When I get to the very end here, I'm going to hit C for close, and I have now completed the foundation. I'm going to turn off the construction layer, and this will turn everything off, and basically I am done with everything that I need on the inside here. We're not going to use these walls anymore. All right, so I need to unisolate that layer. Let's see if we can turn that back off. Turn that back on. And the rest of these we need to unisolate. So let's see how we can do that. Right underneath there, click on unisolate, and now they become unlocked. Okay, let's go back and turn our construction layer off. All right, and we are going to leave the deck, but we're going to get rid of everything else. We're going to get rid of everything else except for the deck, even the dimensions. I don't know, it kind of feels like it might be a little bit weird, but as long as we leave the deck in that spot, we'll be fine. Again, I need these dimensions to be gone. So I've deleted everything. Okay, and even these notes we're not necessarily need right now. Let's turn back on the construction layer. Okay, and we're going to put this back on the foundation. And now we have our walls ready to go. These go on the F-wall layer. Okay, and as far as the construction line goes, we're really not going to need these anymore as well. Okay, at this point, we're going to do the stairs. You need to pay attention to these dimensions. So it's going to be multi-line again. And we're going to start from this corner. And we're going to go up 4 feet. And we're going to come over 16 feet 8 inches. Okay? And you need to make sure you get those dimensions correct. And we want to come down perpendicular to that line past that line right there. Hit enter. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the foundation layer. And once you get these walls in, you are good for today.